Hello everyone, if you don't want to play Mortal Shell 2 and your game keeps crashing and you keep getting this error, unhandled exception with error exception access violation, and this is the error code, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Mortal Shell 2 easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, you're going to go into local, here you're going to find Mortal Shell 2, here it is, go into saved, save game system, and now you'll have both of these files here. These files store your game settings, so just delete both of these files from here. After you're done with that, now you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go ahead and update your graphic cards drivers to the latest version. So I'm going to show you AMD first, and then I'll show you NVIDIA and Intel. Go into AMD.com, click resources and support, drivers in. You're going to scroll down, click onto graphics, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit. After that, click on your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers on your computer. Now onto NVIDIA. Go into NVIDIA.com, click onto drivers here, fill in this manual driver search form, so select your graphic card series, model, operating system. After that, click find here, and then it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. After it's done finding the drivers, you're going to download and install the drivers. Now onto Intel, go into Intel.com, click onto support, download center then. You're going to click onto graphics here, and then you're going to search for your graphics card here, and then you're going to download the latest Intel graphics drivers and then install them. After that, restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Mortal Shell 2, click properties, install files, click verify and tag your game files here. After you do that, you're going to click browse on here to open up Mortal Shell 2's games folder, or you're going to go to its location manually. It should be in your Steam's library. Sparta, Mortal Shell 2, binaries, Win64. Now you're going to right click on the Mortal Shell 2 exe, click properties, compatibility, click on to disable full screen optimizations and click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.